All right, we're doing an unboxing on the Carl 18-inch Pro Rotary Trimmer, model RT218. One feature that I really do like is the ruler on both sides, as well as the paper dimensions printed on the base. This lip here has a raised edge that holds the print ads in place as you're trimming, and that lip is on the top and bottom. There you see different sizes, even photo sizes. This knob here is where the rotary blade is housed. It's very simple to change blades. You can see there, just switch it to open. This little area here actually houses additional cutting mats. That cutting mat there does slide out and you can replace it. There's a ruler on this side, helps you guide. Very impressed with the build so far. Down here you have some different information, how to replace the blade, replace the cutting mats, and when you need extra blades or extra cutting mats, the part numbers are right here. Here we're going to change the rotary blade. I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Just open there, pull it out, and there's the blade. Just pop that one off and put a new one in. Place it back in there. Click it to lock, and you are ready to go. Here's the instruction manual that came with the trimmer. Very simple, very straight to the point, which I appreciate. Basically tells you what is included and the instructions on how to use it. Also tells you how to replace the cutting mats, the blades, and then down here at the bottom it tells you there's a 10 sheet limit of 20 pound paper, and a replacement part number. And it gives you a diagram of the different blades that you can buy to go with that. Like I say, there's a caution there. Definitely don't place your finger under the rail, and more instructions on the trimmer itself. All right, it's time to do the test. Let's see if this thing is up to snuff. I've got a vintage print ad here from Old Gold cigarettes that I'm going to trim, and we're going to see how it does. I'm going to secure the paper up against the top there to lip, make sure everything's even. Once I have everything even, I'm going to press down on the cutter and simply slide toward me, and there it is, folks. Very nice, clean, professional looking edges. Awesome job. Very pleased with this product. I give it 5 stars. Not really sure if it's a little pricey or not. I guess you get what you pay for as far as quality, but I'm very impressed so far. Very impressed. A beautiful ad, and getting ready to list this on eBay and hopefully have a new home soon. Thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe.